What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. Guys, please, I will never contact you by Telegram or WhatsApp or try to slide into your DMs on Instagram. It's all scammers, guys. I do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out the brokerage app. Those 12 free stocks will be worth up to $30,600. And on top of that, guys, Webull in their cash management account is currently offering a 4.1% APY on all of your balances in your cash management account that is not invested. So that's a nice way to earn some interest on idle balances. Not sure what your bank is paying you on your money market or your savings account, but if it's not 4.1%, you may want to check out Webull in their cash management account. Now there's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Webull link, open up that new Webull account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Guys, the labor report came out for May. And expectation was the economy would add about 190,000 new jobs in May. Guys, we did not meet expectations. The economy actually added 339,000 new jobs in May. And if you look back to April, the economy added 253,000 new jobs. What in the world is going on in the job market? And one of those things could be AI. Remember, AI is on the come up. It's trying to reinvent itself. Did a video a couple days ago where I said, Bank of America is predicting that the AI market is going to be a $900 billion market by 2026. So you got a lot of companies out here hiring new people, either trying to dust off their AI technology and make it better, or they're trying to create new AI technology, either to make their company better and more efficient or selling it. So I don't know. That could be one of the reasons why the economy added so many new jobs in May. Remember, we got many different industries here in the United States, and one of those industries is technology. Another industry is consumer discretionary. You got the real estate industry. You got energy. You got healthcare. So there are many industries out there at different points in the year that may cycle up when it comes to hiring folks, or they may cycle down and fire folks. We need this labor market to cool off so that inflation can continue coming down. And that's one of the Fed's biggest concerns, is this red hot labor market, man. They've been saying that all along. Now the Fed is stuck between a rock and a hard place because they've been indicating that they were not going to increase short-term interest rates in their June meeting. But now they've gotten this jobs report for May, which came out on June 2nd. I'm not sure if the Fed will rethink their position on pausing interest rate hikes. Yeah, man, that's one they're gonna have to discuss and figure out which direction they want to go in. Because again, as long as we as Americans don't have any fear of not being able to find a job, and not be able to create income, then we're gonna continue buying stuff that we don't need. Now, ain't nothing wrong with buying your basics, but y'all know as well as I do, we don't just buy basics. We buy all kind of crap that we don't need, right? Why? Because we ain't no financial pressure on us. We know if we lose one job, we can get another job with this red hot labor market. On top of that, you're getting increases in wages. So, you know, the Fed is having a hard time bringing inflation down to 2% because of that. Now, they've definitely cut out borrowing money because they've increased interest rates to a point where it's too expensive to borrow money. So they've accomplished that. They have not figured out a way to cool off this red hot labor market. And until they do that, it's going to be really hard, guys, to get inflation down to 2% and bring price stability to our economy. With the stock market is doing as well as it's doing, and again, it ain't gangbusters, but it's doing okay, guys. If you look at where all three major indexes closed at on Friday, June 2nd, they're all up. You got the NASDAQ over 13,000 points, guys. And of course, that's fueled by this whole AI boom, but still 13,000 points. When was the last time the NASDAQ was at 13,000 points? Probably sometime in what, 2021 maybe? Dow closed over 33,000 points. S&P 500 closed at over 4,200 points. So as an investor, I'm feeling pretty good about what's going on in the stock market because I've been buying assets, guys, over these last year and a half aggressively because I know at some point those investments that I've been buying at a discount are going to trade at a premium again. And one of those investments is Vanguard Information Technology, VGT. I've talked about this in my last several videos because I think it's critical for you guys to understand how I invest since I'm doing these YouTube videos, walking you guys through my financial life. And the way I invest is I buy ETFs, guys. I don't sit out here and try and pick individual stocks. I don't do that. What I do is I find a sector that I like, which is technology, and I go ahead and purchase ETFs that specifically pick companies in the tech industry. Not just one or two companies though, but multiple companies, right? VGT has over 300 and some companies in the fund. I believe it's about 364 companies in the fund already. So that's what I specialize in, is I try and go ahead and find ETFs that track a sector or track an index. Another good one is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO. VGT tracks a sector, the technology sector. VOO tracks the S&P 500 index, where you got the top 500 companies in America in that fund. Every industry, every sector. So those are the two heavy hitter ETFs that I buy, guys, on a consistent basis. And it is starting to pay off for me. My net worth is starting to increase. You got to remember, I started buying VGT back in September 2020. I started buying at $317 a share. As of Friday, VGT, I believe, closed at around $424 a share. I've already made $100 per share on that investment because of what? Discipline, consistency, and patience, right? I'm winning. So all I'm telling you guys is consider that. Now, it's still not too late for this great wealth transfer, but you gotta act. You can't just sit around and, oh, I need more information. I need to be the expert. I need to know this. I need to know that. And then guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna miss out. You're gonna miss out. Bull market gonna be done came and gone, and you done be done missed out. So don't get yourself bogged down with trying to be the expert. Find you ETFs that line up with whatever your financial goals are. If you do that, I think you give yourself a chance to win, and win big. What is it all about, guys? It's about controlling 100% of our time and controlling our own financial destiny. The only way we do that is we got to build assets, right? We got to build assets to the point where they generate income, so that I don't have to worry about working for somebody for the rest of my life. Wherever you get your money from to take care of you, that's who controls your financial destiny, and that's who controls your time. I control my financial destiny and my time because why? I built assets that generate passive income to take care of me. So I don't have to worry about an employer. I don't have to worry about some business that I have to work in 50, 60 hours a week just to make ends meet. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And I don't want you guys to have to do that either. So take heed. Stop sitting on the sideline. Put yourself in the game. But the only way you get yourself in the game is you got to have a brokerage account. That's why I keep telling you guys about Webull every day, because I use Webull every day. It's more than enough for you to be able to buy a couple ETFs on a monthly basis and build wealth. It's more than enough. You don't need anything more fancier than that. So hit that link down in the description box and open up that Webull account. Remember, Webull is also going to give you an interest rate of 4.1% APY. Now, that ain't forever, guys, but that's what they're currently offering on idle balances in the cash management account. So not only you use the Webull app to buy your favorite investments, but you can also use the Webull app to hold cash and get a 4.1% APY on your balances that you're not putting in the brokerage account. So don't delay, man. Get out there today and do what you need to do in order to make it happen. Guys, we can't be complacent. We can't be sitting around procrastinating, making excuses. All that is just fear getting in your way of you getting the financial freedom. Don't let fear win, man. Take some action today. Click on that Webull link. Open up that new account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Share the video. Smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.